Today we're gonna be making chocolate peanut butter popcorn. Today we're gonna be making chocolate peanut butter popcorn, and to do that we're using Glaze Pop by Gold Medal, and we're also gonna be using some peanut butter extract that we got from Flavora. You can check them out online. There's a link down in the description to their website where you can check them out. They have hundreds of different flavors of extracts. So we're gonna use those two together and make a chocolate peanut butter popcorn. So let's get popping. Let's turn on our heat. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in 2 ounces of corn oil. All right, we got our oil in there. Now we're gonna add in 6 ounces of kernels. And we're gonna turn on our motor. Close this up. Let that get spinning around. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get together 3 ounces of chocolate glaze pop. We're using a 6-ounce kernel king here. So we have 6 ounces of popcorn kernels, 2 ounces of oil, and now we're gonna add in 3 ounces of chocolate glaze pop. There we have it. Ooh, oh, it smells so chocolatey. Now we're gonna add about 3/4 of a teaspoon of peanut butter extract. Okay, we took 3 ounces of chocolate glaze pop and we just added 3/4 of a teaspoon of peanut butter extract, and then we stirred it up and mixed it all up. Peanut butter extract is super strong, of course, because it's an extract, so it's highly concentrated. You can definitely smell that in there. As soon as our popcorn starts to pop a little bit, we're gonna add this in. I think I hear it. All right, let's lift this up. Let's add in our chocolate glaze pop and peanut butter extract. Let's take a quick peek in there. Oh yeah, there's our chocolate all mixing around in there. Let's close this back up. Now the peanut butter extract, very strong. You definitely smell the peanut butter. This is gonna be really good. If you want to get the Popcorn Genius recipe book, there's a link down in the description. You can pick that up for free today. Also, a reminder, all the products we're using here today, there are links down in the description for all those too. And you can use those links to buy the same products and make the same flavor we're making today. I'm hearing it pop, so soon we're gonna have peanut butter chocolate popcorn. We're gonna listen for this to slow down, and then we're gonna dump it. All right, let's give it a dump. Turn off the motor, turn off the heat. All right, look at that. We're gonna hit this with some salt. A little sweet and salty. You can smell that chocolate. That chocolate smells so good. It's one of the strongest glaze pops. It makes everything smell amazing. It smells like rich, hot chocolate. It's awesome. Okay, we have our chocolate peanut butter popcorn here. Take a look at that. Look how nice and good that looks. Smell it, smells chocolate. I can smell a little bit of the peanut butter too, actually. Let's take a look at a couple pieces. Look how coated that is. It's so coated, which is awesome. Let's give it a try. Okay, yeah, it's definitely chocolate peanut butter. The chocolate popcorn. So many times I love the chocolate popcorn. That's really good. Wow, that's really good. That peanut butter extract, very, very strong, very, very flavorful. Really good stuff. We really just used some chocolate glaze pop by Gold Medal and some peanut butter extract that Flavora sent us. Thank you so much, Flavora, for sending us these extracts. We really appreciate it. We love trying them. This flavor, definitely one of my favorites for sure. I love chocolate peanut butter. I mean, what's not to like? You too can make flavors just like this. You just gotta get out there and get popping.